Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close look at the Portwest A310 Flexo Grip Nitrile Glove. So let's first take a look around the outside of the clear plastic packaging. So in this clear plastic packaging is a Portwest A310 Flexo Grip Nitrile Glove, and just giving you a look at the details that's on the clear plastic packaging. And this glove is in the medium size and in the grey-white colour. It's also available in a red-black colour as well, and the size ranges from XS to XXL. And this glove is from Portwest's Grip Performance range or category. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by tearing open the flap and pulling the gloves out from the packet and giving you a look at the pair of gloves in the grey-white colour and in the medium size. So right there, just setting them on the tabletop so you have that full and clear look at the gloves before we take a much closer in look at its details. So just going to set the left glove to the side and giving you a look at this right glove of the Portwest A310 Flexo Grip Nitrile Glove. So you can see that it is pad dipped or palm dipped, and we can see the fabric or polyester construction in the white parts of the glove. So giving you a look up close at the texture. So it does have a low linting construction, and of course giving you a look at the product label or details and specifications printed on the back or top of the glove. So it is ANSI rated with a cut level of A1 and an abrasion level of 2. And it is ISO rated with a dexterity of 5. Now giving you a look at the protective layer or coating, that nitrile in grey, and we can see that glossy textured finish on the glove, and of course giving you a look at just how that coating covers the polyester parts or fabric or textile parts of the glove, and of course the fingertips as well, just giving you a look at the tips of that coated parts of the glove. As you can see, palm dipped right there with the palm of the hand, and of course resting the glove in my palm. So really light in weight, and giving you a look at the opening of the glove as well. So it does have an elastic ring or band opening, and of course giving you a look on the inside or reverse side of the glove. So outside, reverse side, so there's some stretchiness to the overall material of the glove. However, of course with the nitrile parts, that elasticity is covered by that nitrile. So now let's go ahead and put it on. So giving you a look at my hand as well, and let's put the glove on. So you have a much better look at its overall fitment. and look. And this time round, giving you that close-up look, this time with the glove fitted onto my hand. And once again, this is the medium size, so it does range from extra small to extra large, and in two colors as well. And this one being the grey white, there is that red black as well. As you can see, plenty of dexterity and maneuverability, and of course giving you a look at the thickness or thinness of the fabric or textile. I'm just going to stretch it further and stuff a couple of my fingers behind it so you can see the sheerness perhaps of the material. Okay, and now let's go ahead and take a quick look at the left glove. So same thing, and with the details printed on the back of it, the Portwest branding and its overall design. So very light in weight, as you can see, and with plenty of dexterity to its overall design, with a focus on grip while providing ANSI level A2 of cut protection. I beg your pardon, A1 of cut protection and level 2 of abrasion resistance. So right there, both gloves fitted onto my hands. So giving you a look at the gloves. And up close as well at the fingertips and upper part or back part of the gloves. So you can see the coverage of the nitrile with a irregular or not so consistent coverage, but nonetheless providing some protection on the top part of the glove. So there we go, giving you a look at its overall maneuverability or dexterity and ease of movement while providing good levels of grip and some level of abrasion and cut resistance. Now I'm just going to take the gloves off. So they slide off very, very quickly and easily, and of course giving you a look on the inside as well, right there. So that's the Portwest A310 Flexo Grip Nitrile Gloves. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!